Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to start our chapter number 4, Maths Linear Equation in two variable. This is one shot video. In last video, we have done our chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. Okay, so let's first of all let's understand what is the meaning of linear equation in two variable. Linear equation, I have told you in chapter number 2, if their equation having a one charge on 1 degree on the top or main degree is 1, so it will known as linear. If square is there, so it is known as quadratic. If cube is there, it is known as cubic. So linear equation is means equation in two variable. There are two variable, that means x and y. So let's take an example. 2x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, two variable, one and two variable, and linear equation. So we have to make linear equation in one variable. So let's start. There are two exercises, exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2. Let's start with 4.1, question number 1. So question number 1 is saying that price of pen bx y, okay, y, and price of notebook bx. According to data, in data they have said the price of pen is twice than the price of is twice of the price of notebook. So notebook is equal to twice of twice pen. Notebook is equal to one notebook is equal to two pen. That means one notebook is of 10 rupees. So one pen of 5 rupees. If we add two pens, we will get 10 rupees. So x, this will come over here, so it will become 2y is equal to 0. We have get our linear equation in two variable. There are x and y two variable, and only one degrees are there. Let's move ahead in question number 2. In question number 2, what they are saying, we have to find out a, b and c. A, b and c. A, b and c. So how we find out? A is 2x, b is 3x. So what will be 3? So students, simply we will do plus 3y. This 9.3 root 5 bar 5 will come over here. So it will become minus is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 9 point root 5. Now let's see how will we do this. Simply we will do this simply in simple way. Okay, in simple way, a is equal to 1. Why I have taken a is equal to 1? Because there is no value of variable. We will not take a variable. We will not take. So you can see over here also, a is equal to 2, 3, b is equal to 3. Not b is equal to 3y or a is equal to 2x. So the value of x will be 1. There is no another coefficient is present. B is equal to y, there is y, so 1 upon 5, and c is equal to minus 10. Let's see question third number. Third number is quite easy. Minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 6. Okay, now let's do last question, and remaining 3 or 2 are in homework, so do it by yourself. So by that way you will get practiced. Okay, x minus 3y. Okay, you have confused what to put over here. There are only a and b, not c is given, so you will put C extra. You will put C extra 0. So A is equal to 1. B is equal to, what is B is equal to, students? Yes, minus 3. And what will be C is equal to? 1. No, students, there is coefficient 0 is there, so we'll put 0. Okay, so now let's move ahead to exercise 11 4.2. Why the 11 is coming in my mind? Sorry, students. Let's move ahead to question 4.2. So in first question, let's see in textbook. In first question, which one of the following equation is true, and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solution, or infinite solution? Students, infinite many solution, because if you will take x is equal to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 infinite number, you will get different numbers, and you will get the value of y in different value. So answer is our C. Infinitely many solution. So let's see question number 2. In question number 2, we have to take out the six okay, four factors. So how will we take out? In first, I can put x is equal to minus 1. So 2 minus 1 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Then minus 2. Y is equal to 2 will come over here. It will become plus. So y is equal to this. In two number, x is equal to 1. You can put any number. Okay. You can put any number. 2 plus y. 2 will come over here. So 2 minus 7, 5. Now 3 number. A fourth equation you have to do in the homework. Now let's take 2. 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. So 4 plus y is equal to 7. 7 minus 4 is equal to y, and 3. Okay, fourth equation is in your homework. Okay, now let's see question 2. First, let's first of all, in this is tricky question, students. So don't be confused in this is tricky question. So you have to be alert in the examination hall. You have to be alert in examination hall. What you will going to do in this question? First of all, answer me in the comment box. Okay, I hope that you have commented in the answer. We can say y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 4. Then in second equation, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4. So it will become 8. In third, y is equal to minus 1. So x will become minus 4. In fourth equation, y is equal to minus 2. So it will become minus 8. Good students, it will become minus 8. Yes, students, it will become minus 8. So from here, you can see that, wait for a while. From here you can see you can make infinite many solution of this. Okay, now let's quickly see this, and this is the last question of our exercise. After this our chapter number 4 will be over. So we have to put 0 in a place of x axis and 2 in a place of y axis. Our equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. So put 0 in a place of x axis, 0 minus 2 to 4 minus 4. Okay, and we have to find out that this 4 is equal to 4 is coming or not. So 4 is equal to 4 is not coming, so it is wrong. Answer is not wrong, answer is right, but a coefficient 0.2 is wrong. It will not we will get 4 is equal to 4. Now let's see in this. We will place 4 in a place of x, minus 2 in a place of 0, 4. So yes, we will getting 4. So our answer is this. Another 3 are in homework, so you have to do it by yourself. This question was also too easy. You have to put 2 in a place of x and 1 in a place of y. So I have already put it. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to k. Okay, 7 is equal to k, students. Okay, I hope that you have liked the video, and here we have done our whole chapter. You can see the chapter was very small, 4.1, then 4.2, and this is the last question. Okay, I hope that you have loved this video and like this video. If you like it, you like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.